In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access WhatsApp Manager in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to reach the WhatsApp section where you can add or manage your business's WhatsApp accounts. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Meta Business Suite. You're looking for the official Meta page, so double-check the URL before you click. It should take you to the Business Suite environment hosted by Meta. Clicking the correct link ensures you land on the right dashboard and avoid any third-party sites that might look similar. Next, log in using either your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Choose the login that's connected to your business assets. If you manage multiple pages or ad accounts, make sure you're signing into the account with the right permissions. If prompted, complete any security checks and then select the correct business from the business switcher if you see more than one. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Meta Business Suite home. This is your central hub for managing pages, messages, ads, and more. From here, we'll navigate to the WhatsApp Manager area. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on All Tools. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines, and it reveals the full set of tools available in your business suite. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the sidebar to see the labels. Now, in the expanded menu, click on Settings. This opens the configuration area for your business assets and connected accounts. It's where you manage permissions, integrations, and account-level options. Inside Settings, find and click on Accounts. This section consolidates the different account types you can link to your business, making it easier to navigate to the one you need. Then, click on WhatsApp Accounts. This will take you directly to the WhatsApp Manager area inside Meta Business Suite. Here, you can add new WhatsApp business accounts or manage existing ones. You'll be able to see connected accounts, review their status, and access options for permissions and configurations. If you don't see the account you expect, confirm you've selected the correct business in the top navigation and that your login has the required access. If the option is missing entirely, your role may not include the necessary permissions, and you might need an admin to grant access. Interfaces can change over time, so names and locations may vary slightly, but the path is generally the same. All Tools, Settings, Accounts, then WhatsApp Accounts. That's it. To recap, the quickest path is open Meta Business Suite, log in, click. All Tools, go to Settings, choose Accounts, and select WhatsApp Accounts. Consider bookmarking this page for faster access in the future.